Welcome to today's video. If you are a Vi user and want to know how to find your Vi mobile number, this video will guide you step by step. Method 1. Using USSD code. The easiest way is by using a USSD code. Open your phone's dialer. Dial *199# and press the call button. A flash message will instantly appear on your screen showing your Vi mobile number. Remember to note it down before the message disappears. Method 2. Vi app. You can also use the Vi mobile app. Open the Vi app on your smartphone. On the home screen, you will see your registered mobile number displayed at the top. Method 3. Customer care. You can also call Vi Customer Care. Dial 199 or 198 from your Vi SIM. Follow the instructions or speak to a customer care executive and they will provide your number. Method 4. Phone settings. If you don't want to use codes or apps, check your phone's settings. Go to Settings. Tap on About Phone. Here, you can find your SIM information along with your Vi mobile number. Method 5. Contacts app. Many phones display the SIM card number at the top of the contacts list. So, these are the simple ways to find your Vi mobile number. Whether through USSD code, Vi app, customer care, or your phone's settings, you'll never lose track of your number again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips.